Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create a new user account on Windows. Let's get started. Click the Start menu. Click on Settings. Select Accounts. Then choose Family and Other Users. Now, click on Add someone else to this PC. A Microsoft sign-in page will pop up. Simply click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Fill in the username and password, and also provide security questions. Click Next. To go back, click on the Start menu. Go to the account icon where you can see the newly created user account. Yes, we have successfully created a new user account. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.